People always ask me what is drafting. Drafting is basically the language of design and construction. It's how ideas become real world things like buildings, machines, and bridges. Think of it like this: you have an idea in your head, maybe a house, a car, a bridge. Drafting is a process of turning that idea into a detailed, accurate drawing that someone else can use to actually build it. It's not just doodling on a piece of paper or sketching. Drafting uses precise measurements, straight lines, angles, and symbols so that everyone working on the project understands exactly what they need to do. There are two main types of drafting. There's manual drafting, where drafters use tools like rulers, T squares, compasses, and pencils. And then there's digital drafting, where drafters use softwares like AutoCAD, Civil 3D, and MicroStation to design these things on a computer. Architects use drafting to design buildings. Engineers use it to plan bridges, machines, and electrical systems. Builders and fabricators follow those drawings to make the real thing. So, drafting is how an idea becomes a plan and how a plan becomes reality.